Earth is a beautiful place with lush green forest, mountains, the way flowers bloom, the rivers flow, and the songs of birds. It was like an orchestra by Mother Earth. Global warming due to transportation, harming wildlife due to improper waste disposal, and cutting down trees for development are contributing to climate change. After brush, rinse your mouth with a glass of water instead of continuous water. Take a short shower or use a pail for bathing. This helps to save lots of water. Turn off water heater, lights and other appliances if not in use. While shopping, use a cloth bags instead of plastic covers. Dispose your waste in designated bins. Follow 3R principle. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Preserving environment ensures a healthier and more sustainable future for generations to come. Due to deforestation and burning fossil fuels by human, greenhouse gases releases into atmosphere and leading to global warming. It affects weather patterns, sea levels, and ecosystems, causing a range of impacts like melting ice. Ensuring a healthy environment for future generations by acting responsibility now. Create a more stable world for our children and their children.